Hello, this is Küçük Çekmece from Istanbul, and right now I am at the lakeside. You can see that there are some trashes and litters, so I'm going to just collect them one by one. So the nature is really important because this is our home, obviously. This is so terrible to see how people can make the nature so dirty. I hope everybody go out to the nature and try to clean as much as they can so that we can have really peaceful, beautiful nature. There are lots of litter. Yeah, can you see that? So cruel. Yeah. Look. Look at this beautiful lake. We human beings make it dirty, unfortunately. So guys, I'm going to just keep collecting, keep cleaning up. I hope everybody would do that, at least as much as they can. This much for today. I hope we can go regularly and keep cleaning up. Take care of yourselves. Peace out.